Good morning, students. We have read that Shadow and Hannah found an American soldier in front of their home. The soldier was a prisoner of war. It was a time of war between America and Japan, and that sailor had been captured by Japanese army, but he escaped from their clutches. But while he was running away, he was shot in the back, and that's why he was wounded. And now it was a very critical question, crucial question for Sadao and Hana, what they should do with that American soldier, because he was their country's enemy. They could not shelter him in their home. If they did, they would be treated as traitors, means उनको गद्दार करार दिया जाएगा. And if they sent him away as a prisoner of war to the police, they would certainly kill him. But as Sadao was a doctor, it was his duty to save the life of that wounded person, because doctors are taught to save the lives of injured people. So he was in a dilemma what he should do. So they were just thinking about it, what they should do, and they thought that they should throw him back into the sea. But at the same time, Hana and Shadao asked each other, would they be able to throw him back in the sea? Let us begin from that point. So we have read till they were thinking, they were asking each other, yes, undoubtedly that would be best, Hana said steadily. Now we have read it. You also cannot throw him back to the sea. So here, from this point, we have to read. Come, are we able to put him back into the sea? If I am able, are you? Shadao asked. I finished on this point yesterday. Why did Shadao ask this? Because it was very difficult for a person of kind heart to kill someone. That's why he was asking. No, Hana said, but if you can do it alone, if you can do it alone, you should do it alone. So Hana clearly said that if Sadao could do it alone, he was free to do that. Sadao hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said, that if the man were whole, if the man was healthy, if the man was not having any problem, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. I care nothing for him. He's my enemy. All Americans are my enemy, and he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is. But since he is wounded, I can't send him to police. So he is trying to express his unwillingness to send him to the police as a prisoner of war, because he was not conscious, he was not whole, he was not fit, वो स्वस्थ नहीं था, ही वॉज हैविंग प्रॉब्लम, उसको ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरत थी. दैट्स वाई ही कुड नॉट डू दैट. इट वॉज हिज ड्यूटी टू ट्रीट हिम फर्स्ट. You also cannot throw him back into the sea. Hana told it clearly from Sadao's side. Then there is only one thing to do. We must carry him into the house. So it was Hana who suggested that they should carry him to the house. How kind she was. She spoke it clearly. Sadao also wanted to say this, but he could not clearly say this to his wife. But Hana was clear enough to disclose it that they should take him to the house. But the servants, Sadao inquired, what should we do with the servants? How will we convince them? We must simply tell them that we intend, we desire, we have a wish to give him to the police. As indeed we must, Sadao. Indeed means really we have to do this. Means we have to hand him over to police after we have treated him. We must think of the children and your position. It would endanger means put something in danger. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. It is clear if they did not hand him over to the police, they would be treated as traitors, they would be treated as criminals because they were harboring an enemy of their country. Certainly, Sadao agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. I will not do anything else. I would do what we have decided. Thus agreed, together they lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl. Fowl means a hen or a cock that had been half starved. Half starved means आधा भूखा रखा गया हो for a long time until it is only feathers and skeleton. मीन्स ऐसे एक मुर्गी या मुर्गे के जैसा लग रहा था वो, जिसको काफ़ी दिन तक भूखा रखा गया हो और अब उसमें सिर्फ पंख बचे हैं और उसका हड्डियों का ढांचा बचा है. ही वॉज सो वीक, सो हिज आर्म्स हैंगिंग, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sadao's father, and since his death, it had not been used. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. So there was mat over the floor of that room, deeply matted. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man. So it was the old man's desire to keep only Japanese things in his room. That's why they had kept only Japanese things in the room. Who would never in his own home sit in a chair on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. So he didn't like foreign things, इसलिए जैपनीज चीज़ें ही उसके कमरे में रखी जाती थी. वो प्योरली जैपनीज चीज़ों को इस्तेमाल करता था. दैट्स वाई दे केप्ट ओनली दोज थिंग्स इन हिज रूम. हाना वेंट टू द वॉल कबर्ड्स एंड स्लिड बैक अ डोर एंड टुक आउट अ सॉफ्ट क्विल्ट. शी हेजिटेटेड. व्हाट इज क्विल्ट? गद्दा या रजाई हम बोलेंगे. द क्विल्ट वॉज कवर्ड विथ फ्लावर्ड सिल्क एंड द लाइनिंग वॉज प्योर वाइट सिल्क. So it was very costly. It had a very costly cloth. That's why she was thinking about it. It would be spoiled. He is so dirty, she murmured in distress, in sadness. Yes, he had better be washed, Sadao agreed. If you will fetch, if you will bring hot water, I will wash him. Hana was worried about the quilt. That's why she said, he's so dirty. But Sadao was worried about his health. So he said he would wash if she brought hot water. I can't bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he's here. Means we have to tell the servants कि भाई हमारे घर में एक अमेरिकन prisoner of war है, हमें बता देना चाहिए. I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Sadao considered a moment. Sadao thought for a moment. Let it be so, he agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell others. Means they decided to tell everything to the servants of the home. But the utter pallor means the yellowish color on the face or any other thing of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop. To stoop means to bend down and feel his pulse. उस अमेरिकन सेलर का फेस इतना पीला पड़ गया था, इतना वीक पड़ गया था कि उसको झुक करके चेक करना पड़ा उसकी पल्स को, वेदर ही हैड डाइड और नॉट. इट वॉज फेंट. फेंट मीन्स धीमी. But it was there, so it was there, the pulse was running, so it was pulsating, so he was alive. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. He will die unless he is operated on, Sadao said, considering. Sadao was in his own meditation and said that कि वो मर जाएगा अगर ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ तो. द क्वेश्चन इज वेदर ही विल नॉट डाई एनी वे. पर क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि क्या वो मरेगा नहीं. यहाँ ये बचा लेंगे तो डेफिनेटली ही विल डाई, बिकॉज द जैपनीज पुलिस और आर्मी वुड किल हिम इफ ही द डॉक्टर सेव्स हिम. हाना क्राइड आउट इन फियर. हाना गोट स्केयर्ड. दैट्स वाई शी क्राइड, डोंट ट्राई टू सेव हिम, व्हाट इफ ही शुड लिव. बचाने की कोशिश मत करना, अगर वो बच गया तो क्या करेंगे. वट इफ ही शुड डाई. सडाओ रिप्लाइड. सडाओ ने उत्तर दिया कि अगर वो मर गया तो क्या होगा. वट डज दिस मीन. इट मीन्स इफ द पेशेंट इज लाइंग बिफोर एन एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर, अ पेशेंट इज लाइंग बिफोर एन एक्सपर्ट सर्जन, नॉट only a surgeon but a scientist who was discovering something on the wounds, and he dies in before him, what is the ability of the doctor. So he was trying to say अगर ये मर गया तो मेरा क्या होगा, मेरे सामने मर जाए. He stood gazing down on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality. Vitality means strength, और ही वुड हैव बीन डेड बाय नाउ. इस आदमी के अंदर बहुत ताकत है, नहीं तो मर जाता अभी तक ये. बट देन ही वॉज वेरी यंग. इट मे बी द बिकॉज ऑफ हिज बीइंग यंग, परहैप्स नॉट येट 25. इतना छोटा है, 25 से भी कम एज है. एंड ही हैज़ स्ट्रगल्ड सो मच, ही हैज़ फेस्ड सो मच पेन. यू मीन डाई फ्रॉम द ऑपरेशन, हाना आस्क्ड. यस, Sadao said. Die from the operation? How can a person die from operation? Because there is a lot of bleeding. If he has lost so much blood earlier, it would be dangerous for him. While the doctor is doing operation, at that time also he loses blood, so it can be dangerous. Hana considered this doubtfully. And why did she consider it doubtfully? Because she believed in the ability of her husband, and she knew that he was an expert surgeon, so how could he die from the operation. And when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said, and first he must be washed. He went quickly out of the room and Hana came behind him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. He was the first she had seen since she left America, and now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. So उस वाइट मैन के साथ वो अकेले नहीं रहना चाहती थी, इसलिए वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ बाहर आ गई. और उसका उन वाइट मैन से कोई लेना देना नहीं था जिनसे वो अमेरिका में मिली थी, जिनको वो जानती थी, जिनको वो अपना मानती थी. So how he could be related to those people whom she knew in America. Here he was her enemy, a menace, a difficulty. Menace means difficulty, living or dead. So there is a question: how can that American soldier, American sailor, a difficulty for them, जीवित और मृत दोनों अवस्था में. In living condition he is a difficulty, he is a threat, because If he is living and he is staying at their home, they would be considered as traitors. And if he is dead, then also he would bring a threat or difficulty, because it would raise a question on the ability of the doctor. उसके सामने मर गया, how can he be an expert doctor? She turned to the nursery and called Yumi, but the children heard her voice, and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. Over the baby's soft black hair, she signaled with her mouth, Yumi, come with me. I'll put the baby to bed, Yumi replied. He's ready. He's ready to sleep. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery. Nursery is the place where children are kept, where they are cared, and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. The two servants were frightened. Frightened means full of fear, scared at what their master had just told them. वो जो दो बाकी के नौकर थे, गार्डनर और कुक, उनको सडाओ ने बता दिया था. What had he told them? He had told them about the American sailor, prisoner of war. And that's why they were scared. डरे हुए थे वो, ये क्या है? The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lip. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. Heal means to cure. He said bluntly. Bluntly means frankly, clearly to Hannah. The white man ought to die. First he was shot. पहले तो उसको गोली लगी. Then the sea caught him and wounded him with her rocks. If the master heals with the gun, what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. He means to say, nature wants that person to die. And if Sadao tries to save him, nature will take revenge. It is the destiny. भाग्य ही ये चाहता है, प्रकृति ही ये चाहती है, भगवान ही ये चाहता है कि वो व्यक्ति मरे. वाई आर मास्टर इज ट्राइंग टू सेव हिम? भगवान की मर्जी के खिलाफ क्यों जा रहे हैं? इफ ही डज दिस, ही विल हैव टू पे फॉर इट. द नेचर विल टेक रिवेंज. गोली भी बदला लेगी और समुद्र भी बदला लेगा, तो इट मीन्स द नेचर विल टेक रिवेंज. आई विल टेल हिम वट यू से, हाना रिप्लाइड courteously. Courteously means with respect. हाना ने पूरी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ कहा कि चलो जो आप बहुत बात बोल रहे हो मैं उनको बता दूंगी. बट शी हर सेल्फ वॉज ऑल्सो फ्राइटन. शी वॉज ऑल्सो स्केयर्ड. ऑल्दो शी वॉज नॉट सुपरस्टिशियस. सुपरस्टिशियस मीन्स अ पर्सन हु बिलीव्स इन समथिंग विदाउट एनी लॉजिक. अंधविश्वास बोलते हैं इसको. एज द ओल्ड मैन वॉज, कुड इट एवर बी वेल टू हेल्प एन एनिमी? देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. क्या कभी किसी एनिमी की हेल्प करना फायदेमंद हो सकता है? यस, इट कैन बी बेनिफिशियल. इट कैन चेंज द हार्ट ऑफ द एनिमी. यू कैन फिनिश द एनमिटी. आपकी दुश्मनी ख़त्म हो सकती है. देर आर चांसेस. अगर आप किसी दुश्मन के साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करते हो तो बहुत चांसेस हैं कि भाई मन बदल जाए. हाँ, कुछ एनिमीज ऐसे होते हैं जो ये सोच लें कि भाई इसकी कोई चाल है, इसमें ये मेरे साथ अच्छा व्यवहार कर रहा है, मेरा फ़ायदा कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स ही हैज़ समथिंग एल्स इन हिज माइंड. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू कीप डूइंग दिस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, द एनिमी विल come to know that you are a good person. But some enemies may think that you are afraid of him, you are scared of him, that's why you are doing this. So it depends on person to person, what he takes it, how he takes it. But in my opinion, overall it can be said, if we help an enemy, it can change the mentality of the person. Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. She went ahead and slid back the partitions. Partitions means Japanese people have these kind of doors, like they open the curtains. ऐसे ही doors होते हैं उनके. So she slid back the partitions. Sadawa was not yet there. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket. Then she bent over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. Stubbornness means अड़ियलपन, मीन्स एक अलग टाइप का ढीठपन उसके फेस पर आ गया. आई हैव नेवर वॉश्ड अ वाइट मैन, शी सेड, एंड आई विल नॉट वॉश सो डर्टी अवन नाउ. मैंने किसी गोरे आदमी को कभी नहलाया नहीं है, उसको नहीं धोया है, और इतने गंदे को तो मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सो इट इज़ ऑल, आई फाइंड इट फनी. इट मे बी दैट हाना के लिए तो ये एक अलग ही बात होगी, एंड इट इज़ नॉट फनी फॉर हर बिकॉज यूमीज फेस इज हैविंग अ sense of arrogance at that time when she is saying this. And when a servant disapproves or disobeys a master, it cannot be funny. Hana cried at her severely, strongly, harshly. Hana got angry. You will do what your master commands you. There was so fierce, so angry, a look of resistance. Resistance means a sense of unwillingness, a sense of revolt upon Yumi's round, dull face that Hana felt unreasonably afraid. When Hana cried over Yumi's face gave sense of resistance, and it scared Hana. हाना डर गई, अनरीजनेबली डर गई, वो विदाउट एनी रीज़न. बट आई थिंक देर वॉज अ रीज़न. इफ शी वॉज अफ्रेड, शी माइट बी हैविंग दिस आइडिया दैट यूमी कुड ड्रैग them into trouble. She could tell everything in different way to police. That's why she was afraid. It was not unreasonably, it was reasonably. After all, if the servant should report something that was not as it happened, द सेम थिंग बट आई वॉज सेइंग, हो सकता है सर्वेंट ऐसे बता दे बात जा करके जैसे हुआ ही नहीं. रियलिटी तो ये है कि वो उसको अंदर इसलिए लेके आए बिकॉज ही वॉज वोंडेड, बट सर्वेंट्स कुछ और बता दे जा करके, कोई बात. वो कहते हैं ना, लोगों को मसाला लगा के बताने की आदत होती है, तो इफ़ दे डू दिस इट विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम. वेरी वेल, शी सेड विद डिग्निटी, विद a sense of dignity, सम्मान के साथ, शान के साथ उसने कहा, you understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner. अरे समझो बात को, हम इसे सिर्फ होश में लाना चाहते हैं ताकि हम इसको पुलिस को सौंप सके. समझो. I will have nothing to do with it, Yumi said. I am a poor person and it is not my business. यूमी ने क्लियरली बोल दिया, भाई मुझे इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ये मेरा काम नहीं है, सो आई विल नॉट डू दिस. देन प्लीज हाना सेड जेंटली, देन प्लीज रिटर्न टू योर ऑन वर्क. तो फिर अपने काम पे वापस चली जाओ. एट वंस यूमी लेफ्ट द रूम, बट दिस लेफ्ट हाना विद द वाइट मैन अलोन. शी माइट हैव बीन टू अफ्रेड टू स्टे had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. Earlier she had gone out when she was left alone with the white man, but now she could not go, and it was because of the anger she had over Yumi. Yumi के ऊपर उसको गुस्सा आया हुआ था, इसीलिए वो डरी नहीं. भाई एक टाइम पे आपके इमोशंस में से एक ही चीज़ आएगी, या तो आप डरोगे या गुस्सा करोगे. So she could not be afraid because she was angry upon Yumi. That's why she didn't went out. So we have read that servants were completely full of revolt, and they didn't like their master's act of bringing that prisoner of war to their home. According to them, they were doing a mistake, and Yumi clearly denied what Hana asked her to do. She asked her to wash the white man, but she denied. So I think it is enough for today. We have read till this point. Tomorrow we'll start again. And till then, my dear students, take care. Bye.